Hello students, this is Professor Valerie Pell at Wilbur Wright College in Chicago. This presentation is titled Academic Essay Overview. In this presentation, we'll cover what an essay is. We'll use an analogy of going to a restaurant to describe the academic essay. We'll look at the basic structure and components of the academic essay, and then we'll have a CAT, a classroom assessment technique, to quiz your knowledge of the presentation. So what is an essay? When we think about essays, the roots of the essay date back to rhetorical speeches given in early Western civilization. Think the Greeks and the Romans. Think togas. Think Socrates. Think Plato and Aristotle. The structure comes from those rhetorical speeches that were given in early Western culture. However, the first essays are thought to have been written by this guy, Michel de Montaigne, in the 16th century. He was pretty much the first person to write down essays in the form and style that we often think of them today. The word essay comes from the French word essayer, which means to attempt or to try. So when you think about writing an essay, you should really think about them as your ability to try developing an idea all the way through. That doesn't mean just because you try that you always succeed fully. The trying is more important than necessarily the success, like if your argument is the best in the world. The idea is for you to try developing your own argument and your own thought line. And of course we want you to be successful when you do that, but an essay doesn't have to be something that you think of as being perfect. It's your practice at developing a line of thought. So the college essay is similar to these initial essays by Montaigne. The difference really is that you are trying to communicate your viewpoint and argument about a topic. So again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you doing some strong intellectual work.